Welcome to English Vocabulary. Let's learn with pictures and voice. Happy means feeling good and joyful.
Sad means feeling unhappy.
Big means very large in size. Small means not big in size.
Slow means not fast.
Fast means moving quickly. Dirty means not clean.
Clean means not dirty.
Cold means very cool temperature.
Hot means very warm. Weak means not strong.
Strong means having power or ability.
Lazy means not wanting to work or move.
Sleepy means feeling like you want to sleep.
Thirsty mean needing to drink. Fun means an enjoyable and happy activity.